step into a modern horse leather factory, where raw hides from healthy horses are transformed into some of the world's most luxurious materials. From the moment the hides arrive, every process is carefully controlled, combining traditional craftsmanship with advanced industrial technology. Workers and machines move in harmony, ensuring precision and efficiency at every stage of production. The hides are first inspected for quality, elasticity, and smoothness. Only the best are selected for luxury products. Automated scanning systems and manual checks work together to identify imperfections. Each hide is treated with care, ensuring it meets the high standards required for handbags, shoes, and other designer items that demand flawless leather. Once approved, the hides are washed and cleaned in warm, controlled water baths. Impurities are removed, and the natural texture of the leather is preserved. Specialized brushes and soft rollers ensure the surface remains intact, preparing it for the tanning process. The workflow emphasizes hygiene, consistency, and the preservation of the leather's natural grain. The tanning process is a combination of traditional and modern methods. Vegetable and chemical treatments soften the leather and enhance its durability. Each hide undergoes careful soaking and stretching, ensuring it maintains elasticity without losing strength. Skilled operators monitor the process, adjusting temperature, moisture, and timing to achieve perfect consistency across all hides. After tanning, the leather enters the drying and stretching stage. Hides are gently stretched using automated rollers and warm air chambers. This stabilizes the material, prevents shrinkage, and creates the uniform surface required for high-end fashion applications. The leather's natural softness is preserved while its tensile strength is enhanced, preparing it for coloring and finishing. Color application is performed with precision. Advanced spraying systems and hand-applied coatings ensure consistent tone and vibrancy across the entire surface. The leather may be dyed in multiple layers, each carefully dried and polished to create depth and richness. Artisans and machines work together to ensure a flawless finish, with attention to detail visible in every inch of material. Next, the leather undergoes surface finishing, which includes micro-sanding, brushing, and polishing. These steps enhance the smoothness and natural shine of the leather, giving it a luxurious feel. Laser-guided inspection systems and human oversight guarantee that every hide meets strict quality standards. Any minor imperfections are corrected to maintain premium quality. Once the leather is prepared, it moves to the cutting stage. CNC machines and hand tools are used to precisely shape the material into patterns for handbags, jackets, wallets, and shoes. Each cut is planned to maximize yield and maintain the integrity of the leather grain. This stage requires exact measurements and steady hands to ensure that every piece aligns perfectly with the design specifications. Stitching and assembly begin with both industrial sewing machines and meticulous handcrafting. Artisans assemble pieces carefully, reinforcing edges and seams to ensure durability and elegance. Hand-stitched details, edge painting, and heat-pressed finishing give the products a refined, polished appearance. Every stitch contributes to the overall luxury quality expected from high-end leather goods. Hardware installation follows, including buckles, zippers, and decorative fittings. Each component is polished and attached with precision, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. Artisans inspect the alignment and finish, ensuring the final product meets the standards of luxury fashion. The combination of leather quality and perfectly applied hardware defines the signature look of designer items. After assembly, products undergo rigorous inspection. Flexibility tests, surface checks, and visual evaluations guarantee that each item is flawless. Any inconsistencies are corrected, and only products meeting the highest standards are approved. The factory emphasizes perfection at every stage, ensuring that each bag, shoe, or accessory embodies luxury, durability, and craftsmanship. Finally, the leather goods are packaged with care for shipment. Each product is wrapped to preserve its pristine finish and prepared for delivery to boutiques, luxury retailers, and collectors worldwide. The showroom displays a variety of finished items, showcasing the transformation from raw horsehide to million-dollar luxury pieces. This is the result of skill, technology, and dedication combined.